Hey guys, Nathaniel here. I've been improving my skills and knowledge of Flutter over the past few weeks, and I just wanted to share my growth. So recently I made some videos about an app that lets you remotely open and close your door. It was my first project. It was my first app using Flutter, and it worked like magic. However, looking back now, I see that it was kind of basic as it only had the bare minimum features. If you see here, this is the official Flutter icon, and on click it doesn't display splash screen or whatsoever. It goes directly to the login page, and if I were to click my demo Gmail that I created for testing my app, on login it gives us a token, and the token gives us access to the action open or action close. The buttons were created with elevated buttons, and you can also change your password. You can also reset your password. This is linked to an email service provider. It's for resetting your password. And let's move on to this same app, but just the updated version. And you can see here a customized icon and a customized name. Alo Homura is a magic word that unlocks a door, box, or anything. I got it while watching Harry Potter as a kid. So here you can see splash screen, which is the first thing you see when you launch an app, and a splash page, which executes a command that confirms whether the user has a token. If the user has a token, make sure you go straight to the action page. If the user does not have a token, direct them to the login page, in which they would sign in, and their details will be saved to the secure storage, the database. And let's sign in. And uses the token gives us access to the action lock or unlock. And here you can see, instead of elevated buttons, it is now switch buttons. Just one button can lock and unlock your house. And you can also change your password, and you can also reset your password. So now let's check whether our details were saved to the secure storage, so that anytime we log in from now on, it should take us to our action page, which it just did. So now let's move on to the code for our app. I also took the liberty of adding notifications features, but this feature only works for a user. So I'll be adding the notification features to my RAW server directly. This Flutter app sends a request to my RAW server. It sends an HTTP request to my RAW server. The RAW server is where everything were executed. So I'll add notifications to my RAW server so that when user 1 opens or closes the door, it will notify all the users that, okay, user 1 opened the door, or user 2 opened the door, and so on. Then this is popspec.yam file where dependencies were added. And this is my Flutter native splash screen and the icon and the images. Then you put the path. These are the images. Yeah, that's it. I know there's still more to Flutter, and I'm working each day to leverage the language to create even more solutions like this. Flutter is a very great programming language, and I'm glad to have learned Flutter to create my first iOS app. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can contact me on LinkedIn at Nathaniel Bajo. I'm available on Twitter at Nathaniel_Bajo, on Instagram at Nati_Bajo, GitHub at Nathaniel Bajo. Thank you very much. Also, this app was distributed to a limited amount of users because the project is meant for my home. The setup is meant for my home. So yeah, I created it for my house. So it was distributed using TestFlight, and it is not available on the App Store if you go there and check. Thank you very much.